Hey, good evening everyone. In tonight's free video, let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 here. And after today's action, well, we can clearly see where what happened around here. Again, a couple days ago I mentioned what to look for. And you can see we rallied up into this level here. We hung around here for about a day. And then this morning we come into the markets and we essentially sell off for the majority of the day. Now, we didn't close at the lows. The lowest low was 1333. We closed at 1338, so we did pop up a little bit. What I'm looking for as we go into tomorrow is I want to see if this market is able to hold here or not. If not, I think there's a legitimate chance that it retests this 1325 level. That's the key to watch, okay? And I mentioned that in today's free webinar. I said, the key things to watch are essentially the high and the low of this range. If it breaks out of this high here, then I think there's a very high likelihood we're at the highs again and we make new highs. On the other hand, if it breaks below this low here, then look for that move down to the low 1300s around the 127, and that could be an area where the market will likely at least attempt to find support. You can see right here there's this trend line intact right here, so even if it came down and retested, it wouldn't be a break of the trend. So there's still some wiggle room here, but again, the next couple of days I think we're going to either see this market reverse this position and get back up to this high or come down. Right now it's looking more likely on like a pullback down, but if we look closely here at like a 4-hour chart, you'll see that the market right here from the high to this low did close above the 618. So that is a sign of possible reversal and possible strength here, and we could see this market go right back up. Okay, so keep an eye over the next few days to see what happens there. If you take a look real quickly at USO, yesterday we talked about USO just being super weak here. You can see it's come down. It didn't close at the lows today, kind of tried to hold. You can see if you look at the RSI here, there's a sign that there might be some momentum change. Watch tomorrow to see what happens here. If we start to turn up here like this, we could see oil start to turn up and retest these highs. If it can't do that and it breaks below these lows, this thing is going to see more significant downside. So if it breaks and closes below this low, 3650s is very likely, and that correlates to I think 91, 92 in the actual oil contract. So again, keep an eye to see what happens around this support level here and if this thing can hold. One last one, SLV. Everyone's been talking about SLV. SLV doesn't look good. Again, minor retracement. When you see minor retracements, when a market sells off and then makes a minor retracement, it's an indication of strength to the downside. So again, just like oil, pay attention to see what happens here on a retest here or around this level. If it takes out this low, silver's headed much lower, okay? If it takes out this low and closes below it, silver's headed much lower. On the other hand, if it can hold this level, again, the RSI might be showing, it's starting to show signs of momentum change, but it's all going to depend on what happens over the next couple days here. And the same thing holds true to all the other markets that correlate to silver. AGQ, same thing, this one doesn't even, this one looks worse. So keep an eye, again, if you're a silver trader, if you're not getting trade setups that are based on your trading plan, don't trade silver. Simple as that. Okay, guys? And other than that, hope that helps. We'll cover more in the premium video, but we'll see the rest of you guys tomorrow on StockTwits TV. Take care and have a great day.